All hail the almighty being, whatever. Okay, hey guys, what is up? It's Boss Guy 25 here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Murder Mystery X. Oh gosh, somebody's following me! Get away! Don't stop following me. I'm literally gonna go this way. Who is the murderer? Oh my gosh, is it like the AFK dude over here? It's not AFK. Alright, let's just go in my hidey hole now. I always do this. Unless there's the murderer and there's the gun right there so I can take it. Blue hair dude? I'm not blue hair, so I don't count. I'm just gonna go back to my hidey hole. So okay, I'm gonna go back in my I'm here. I'm in my hidey hole. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. This is my Valentine's gift to you. A chance to get the event shop. The Heartbreaker or the Love Struck. I could save up my money for Love Struck, but that would take too long. Lovely radio. Oh, well, I'm gonna probably survive in here unless the murderer is smart and they come in, so I will be safe. Let's see my lipstick. Put it on. Why am I? Put it on. I would. Hey, murderer. I'm here. Who was the murderer? Oh. None of them died. Wait. Who? Oh, what are you saying? Ha ha. I thought they were the sheriff, and they're like, ha ha. I think that was the person. This guy has a pretty good inventory. I like it. Radiance! I wish I had that. Right now I only have a few legendaries. In Murder Mystery 2 I have a godly, but it's only a seer, so that's the thing. You can't ever believe that you will become the murderer. Come on. Come on! I'm just gonna walk around getting all these parts until I die. That would be good. This guy is missing all of them. I just took all of this. Oh, yum. I love that ice cream, dude. It looks good. I love your ice cream. I love your ice cream. Thanks, Shell. Thanks. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome. I love your ice cream. It's cool. It's cool. The demon. Why are you named the demon? You just walked into a wall. Good for you. I think I'm gonna find a hiding spot now, boy. Let me go find my hiding spot. Over here. Let's go through here. No, actually, you can't. You look cool. I look cool too. I'm in a tuxedo. I love my tuxedo. I must protect myself in my tuxedo. I literally am dead in my tuxedo. I heard the knife! Run, run, run. Who's the murderer? I think it's Dominus Guardian. The guy. He has the knife. Wait, no, that's his ice cream. Wait. What? There's a doge there. That's a pretty good hiding spot. I knew it was the doge. Wait, no, it might have not been. I'm here now. I'm going over here. Hello. What? Somebody's throwing knives at me. Ah! Oh, she was the murderer. Yay! What knife does this guy have? What's his name? There's Love. What revolver does he have? He's using coal. Sloth. Team Sloth. Poke is back. He was unbanned. If you guys watch Poke, he's really cool. Let's put in all my knives. Ah! Well, I need a bunch of knives, so if I go to crafting recipes, I'm trying to get the switchblade, which will take me a while. I only have polka holographic and one, but can't do anything with one except maybe because you can't get it anymore. It was only the first day. That's why it's called one. So it's kind of hard to get it if you don't have it. If somebody would, oh my gosh, if somebody hasn't, they would be willing to trade me one for like maybe a godly or something. Not like the what's the worst godly in this game? Is it like purple haze or something? Purple haze. Say purple haze or either purple haze or oh gosh, where's the murderer? Oh, I think the murderer's going that way. Okay. Let's just go this way. Let's just go this way. Hallelujah. No, I'm not getting any of them. Too bad. Oh yeah. Someday I'm gonna waste all my worries. Someday, somehow, I'm gonna risk my life for you. Oh gosh, who's a murderer? Ah! Ah! Murderer! No, I think that's the murderer. I think that's the murderer right there. Yep, that's the murderer, definitely. Murderer. Or is a murderer out here? Someday, I'm gonna leave all my worries. Ah! No! Stop! Get away from me! No, get away. Holy crap! No, run! Come on, get in there. Move! There you go. Ah! I'm behind the mirror. Run! Let me get into the corner where I'm safe. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! I juked her! Run, go. I'm running. Someday. No. What? No. Get up here. What? Get up! Huh? No. Why did I just fall off? Come on. Oh. Yes! No, I'm safe. Yes, I'm safe now. I like Terraria. I'm probably gonna next episode I'm probably gonna do a Terraria video. Yes, it was her! The sheriff killed the murderer. It's her! Of course it was her. Shower. Bonus round! Crimson. I need checkers, please. I need the checkers. So, let's see, crafting. How do I get... I need pixel. I need graffiti, swirls, and music. I don't have any of those, so I think I'm lost. I am a sheriff. We're on the Terraria map! I don't know how this is Terraria, though. I see somebody else. Oh my gosh. Did it! Yeah! Woohoo! I didn't get any points that round. That's fine though. I'm almost 100. I'm almost level 100. The thing is, it's so easy to level up in this game. It's like not even fair. This guy has Rocky. I don't think you can get Rocky anymore. I don't think you can get Rocky. Rocky! No! What happened to Rocky? What did you do with him, UFO? Tell me. What did you do with Rocky? Tell me, UFO! Please? Why am I not murdered yet? This is not gonna be a good video. I knew it. That's all for this time, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.